Why organizing digital notes matters.
Keeping digital notes organized saves time, reduces stress, and boosts productivity. When everything is easy to find, you spend less time searching and more time focusing on tasks that matter. Evernote offers powerful features to help you capture, structure, and access information, whether for work, study, or personal projects.
Structuring notes with notebooks.
Using notebooks in Evernote helps you categorize notes into clear, manageable groups. Create notebooks for main areas of your life, such as work, school, or home projects. Within each notebook, keep related notes together. This basic structure makes navigation straightforward and lays the groundwork for more advanced organizational strategies.
Effective tagging for easy search.
Tags allow for flexible, powerful organization beyond the notebook structure. Assign descriptive tags to each note, such as receipts, meeting notes, or ideas. You can use multiple tags for cross-referencing topics. Consistent tagging lets you quickly filter notes across notebooks and retrieve information exactly when you need it.
Naming conventions for clarity.
Clear and consistent note titles make your notes instantly recognizable. Use simple, descriptive phrases, including dates, project names, or keywords in your titles, helps when browsing or searching. For example, 2024 marketing meeting, April, is better than just meeting. This approach ensures you understand a note's contents at a glance.
Maintaining a clean system.
Regularly review and update your notes and tags to keep your system organized. Archive or delete outdated notes and merge duplicates. Periodically revisit your notebook and tag structure to ensure it still supports your needs. A tidy Evernote account prevents clutter and keeps your information easy to manage.